One core thing that most people have completely ignored on LinkedIn that makes a huge difference in how people can connect with you is your contact info, and I'm going to show you how to update that right now. My name is Louise Brogan. I run a LinkedIn marketing agency where we create content for your company on LinkedIn and teach your team how to use LinkedIn to get more leads and sales. Hop down below for a link through to our free guide on using video for LinkedIn, and let's get on with showing you how to update this one really key feature on your LinkedIn profile. Okay, here we are over on LinkedIn, and we have gone to my personal profile, and how you get access to that is you go to the Me drop down menu here and you click on View Profile, or you simply click on your face and it pulls up your profile. And the key thing that most people have completely neglected is this button here, Contact Info. When you click on that on your own profile, you can edit your profile URL, add your websites, up to 3 websites, your phone number, and really key, make sure this is your business email address. To edit this section, simply click on the pencil here, and profile URL, we click on a button here, your email, and then down here we have phone number, phone type, address. You do not need to add your address to your LinkedIn contact information. In fact, I recommend that you don't unless you're working in a corporate office. You can have people seeing your birthday, so you can change that to say only you want people to see your birthday. To be honest, when your birthday comes around, so many people send you messages to say happy birthday. It is a way of keeping in touch with your network, but it's really a kind of a waste of time. So website, add in your website address and then change to personal, company, blog, RSS feed, portfolio or other. You can add in 3 website addresses if you want, and then you can add in instant messages down here if you want to do that. In order to change your email address, make sure you click on the arrow here, and that's going to pull open another window. So you want to have your work address as your primary email. So your Yahoo, your Gmail emails should not be your primary email address. So number 1, make sure your primary email is your work email. And if we go back to LinkedIn, I will show you an example of a lot of people who have got a little bit of work to do on this. So let's just click on this person's profile and their contact info. Oh, well done. Stacey has got her email and everything is in there. Well done, Stacey. All right. And David Greiner, let's see his contact info. So David has not added in his email address here, and his personal profile has a big long URL at the end, so that would really need tidied up. A lot of people do not want to connect with you. They want to send you an email, and you want to make it as easy as possible for them to be able to find your email address. So we'll do one more just to check who's showing up at the top here. Pete Gartland. Let's see his contact info. This is Peter Gartland. He's got 2 websites in, and he has got his Hotmail email address in here. So I'm going to reach out to him and suggest that he changes that to his work email. I hope these 2 things help you to get more people connecting with you and for people to find it easier to find out how to connect with you here on LinkedIn.